Hello guys, we are going to present you the top 5 best food processors for kitchen available on the market. We made the decision our personal preference and solidly based on their prices, quality, durability, and repetition of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. I've included the link in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell button for upcoming video notification. So without further ado, let's get started. Number 5. KitchenAid Kfcb 519BM Cordless 5-Cup Food Chopper. There's a lot to love about this mini food processor from KitchenAid. Beyond the large palette of colors available, this compact processor has 2 speeds and a pulse option to guarantee you get the cut you want. Chop or puree with a simple press of your thumb on top of the handle. The most genius part of this design, though, is the drizzle basin. It serves as a funnel to slowly add oil for a perfectly emulsified dressing. This mini food processor is beloved for economy of space and versatility of applications. The 3.5-cup work bowl locks the blade in, so it doesn't fall out when you empty it. There's a built-in spout for mess-free transferring of liquids, too. The bowl, lid, and blade are all dishwasher safe. Number 4. Cockbell Wireless Electric Small Food Processor. This tiny 1.3-cup electric food processor keeps countertops free of messy cords. Cordless and rechargeable, it includes a built-in 1200 mAh battery. A plastic sealing cover on the BPA-free glass bowl helps prevent spills. The non-slip rubber base holds the processor in place. This easy-to-use device operates in 30-second spurts. Simply press down on the lid to power it on, and release to stop. It comes equipped with a scraper and a USB charging cable. The bowl and stainless steel blades are both dishwasher safe and easy to clean. It measures 4.2 by 4.2 by 8 inches and weighs 1.98 pounds. Number 3. ZYLISS Easy Pull Food Chopper and Manual Food Processor. Heading out on a road trip or maybe just casual camping? This manual chopper will make your life so much easier when it comes to meal prep. No more knives and cutting boards in your gear packs. Its 3.13-cup capacity work bowl and booster-level handle design make for even chopping of large and small quantities of food. The patented Swiss-designed, multi-use blade is proficient in chopping, blending, pureeing, and preparing ingredients. The booster arms on each side of the work bowl prevent food from sticking to the surface, too. This environmentally friendly, hand-powered solution is compact and ideal for small kitchens, campers, and RVs. To clean, it's top-rack dishwasher safe. Number 2. Cuisinart DLC 2 ABC Mini Prep Plus Food Processor. The Cuisinart Mini Prep has saved me on multiple occasions when I only needed a small amount of an ingredient and did not want the large cleanup a full-size food processor entails. Its 3-cup capacity is perfect for quick pesto or grinding roasted hazelnuts for weekend scones. The option to chop or grind lends this model versatility in food prep, and you can pulse or run in either mode. The blade reverses direction, allowing the use of sharp and blunt sides depending on your needs. Best of all, it has a lid with 2 holes in it for adding liquid. Hello, homemade aioli. This choice also comes in multiple color options for optimal counter decor possibilities. The bowl is dishwasher safe and has a handle for easier transfer of ingredients, and the touchpad control could not be easier to use. Number 1. Hamilton Beach Mini 3-Cup Food Processor and Vegetable Chopper. Whether you're transitioning from solely hand chopping or want a smaller, easier version of your bigger processor, this Hamilton Beach model is easy to assemble and simple to use. Its stackable design takes up little room on the counter, but still offers a 3-cup capacity to tackle salsas and dips. It also has a built-in oil dispenser for making your favorite hummus or salad dressing. The ease of use cannot be understated. Once you stack the bowls, a simple press is all it takes to operate. There are no complicated locking mechanisms or twisting parts. With a 350-watt motor and stain-resistant bowl, this powerful little chopper is a great choice for a home cook looking to simplify, but still have a tool to make short work of herbs and vegetables. For easy storage, the built-in cord is designed to coil under the base. Thanks for watching. Check the description below for details.